Did someone walk out of your life and leave you feeling heartbroken? It hurts, no doubt about it. But there's something powerful you need to understand. The person who left you can actually come running back, chasing after you, once you do just two simple things. Curious what they are? Stay with me, because today we're revealing the two key actions that will make them realize exactly what they've lost. Welcome to 100 Quotes, the channel where we dive into the deeper emotions behind human behavior and relationships. If you want to learn how to master your mind and your heart, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. When someone leaves you, it can feel like your whole world has fallen apart. But what most people don't realize is this: how you handle this moment can change everything. The person who walked away can start chasing you again when you take these two powerful steps. The first thing you need to do is focus on self-improvement. Instead of constantly dwelling on the loss, invest in yourself. Work on your mental health, your physical strength, and your emotional balance. When they see you growing and becoming a better version of yourself, it triggers something deep inside them. They begin to notice that you're no longer the same person they left behind. Your growth and transformation will make them question their decision, and you'll become someone they can't ignore anymore, this time standing from a place of strength. The second thing you must do is emotionally let go. This may sound hard, but it's absolutely essential. When you stop chasing them, stop obsessing over the past, and truly move forward with your life, something powerful happens. It creates a magnetic pull. By releasing them emotionally, you send a clear signal that your happiness no longer depends on their presence. Ironically, this is when they start missing you. They'll see that you've reclaimed your independence, and it will force them to question whether leaving you was the right choice. Human nature is simple. We desire what we can't have, and when they feel they've lost you for good, that's when they begin chasing you again. These two actions, focusing on self-improvement and emotionally letting go, are incredibly powerful. You shift the dynamic from neediness to self-worth. And once that happens, the person who left will start seeing you in a completely new light. They'll remember the qualities they once admired and finally realize what they walked away from. So if you want the person who left you to chase you again, focus on becoming the best version of yourself and learn how to let go. When you do these two things, they won't be able to resist the pull of your new strength and independence. Sometimes walking away from someone is actually the first step to getting them back. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment and share if you want to keep these videos coming.